Most of the new iPhone or iPad users will face this issue. Thus, we need to install the iTunes on your Windows PC or laptop for file transfer. Let's check it out. So first on my PC, I uninstalled the iTunes. I show you here. Here you can see. I uninstalled the iTunes app. iTunes wasn't installed on my PC. First, I'm going to connect my iPhone 17 with my PC. Let's see. So I just connect the large end of charging cable on my PC. So it's a troublemaking PC. So it's an older model. So I already connected the wire and I just take the smaller end and I'm going to connect with my iPhone charging port. Okay, yeah, it's connecting. Hello, and enter the lock screen passcode. Here you can see that it's connecting. Here you can see my iPhone. So the answer is you can still transfer the files without installing the iTunes on your PC or laptop. It's same for iPad too. You don't need to install the iTunes on your Windows device. Just plug and play and use the Photos app. I mean the Windows Photos app to transfer files. I mean this one. Use this Photos app to transfer files. If you want to know those topics, you need to watch this playlist. But in a rare case, you tried everything, changed the new cable, everything you fix all the issues on your PC, but still your iPhone or iPad wasn't connected with your Windows device. You need to install the iTunes on your PC. Sometimes it happens in a rare case. So initially when I was using the iPhone XR, it happens. So I need to install the iTunes software on my Windows laptop. Then only I can able to transfer data. It happens like initial time. After I install the iTunes, I can still able to transfer files. So it's a rare case. But generally, you don't need to install iTunes on your device. So that's it. And if you want to know more videos about this file transferring topics, you need to watch this playlist.